On a rainy afternoon, when the world seemed gray and silent, Sam stumbled upon something that would change his life forever. With nothing to do, Sam decided to explore the attic, a place filled with forgotten memories and secrets.
There, hidden beneath yellowed letters and faded photographs, was a camera, old, mysterious, and strangely inviting. Curious, Sam aimed the camera at the rain-soaked garden and pressed the shutter. The camera whirred to life, startling him. But when the photo developed, it showed something impossible, a bright, sunny garden, with a rainbow arching across the sky. Every picture the camera took showed the world not as it was, but as it could be. It was as if the camera could see dreams instead of reality. "Lila, how did you do this? Is it magic?" Sam, whispering, "I think it is." Sam realized the camera didn't just change pictures, it changed how he saw the world. He started to notice the good in everything, just like the camera did. But with magic comes temptation. Sam wondered, could the camera make his wishes come true? But the world in the photos wasn't real. Sam missed his true friends, his real life. Sam understood, the camera's magic wasn't in changing the world, but in changing how he saw it. From that day on, Sam didn't need magic to see the beauty around him. He learned that sometimes, the world is as wonderful as you choose to see it. And in the quiet attic, the old camera waits, ready to show its magic to the next curious heart. What would you do if you found a magic camera? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical stories.